Hello, Bruce Johnson here at 448 Washington Street in Barrington. I want to do a walkthrough of the house now that insulation's in place before the drywall goes up. And it is May 27th, I believe, 2020. So I'm going to flip the video around and do a walkthrough and show you what we have. Let's see if I can do that. Does it allow me to flip the... I'm going to do it this way. So, okay. Anyway, per the architect's print, we went through and put in our 21 into all the wall cavities. So it's coming in the front door. You can see the R21 print on there, and it's done all the way up. Added the soffits as well. And our 21 here at the front wall. All 2x6 or furred out 2x6 wall framing in here. You got the vents up into the soffits there. We just got to put one more piece up in there by the vent, the bathroom vent. So that actually runs all the way across into the powder room. So that's the powder room vent. But so you can see we have this all batted in. Just going to put a couple little infill pieces above that header there. And then going to the north side wall here, R21, into the kitchen, R21, and then we'll go upstairs. So we got coming up here. So we're drywall is starting today and through next week. So we'll put the insulation to the attic. It's a blown-in insulation once we get the drywall up. But all the walls are done. R21. It's all new construction on the second floor. R21. Got our fire block in place for all of our vertical protrusions. Fire block. Sprinkler systems in place. R21. Going into the second bedroom here. R21's all in place. And then the third bedroom. The R21 in place there as well. So that's all done. We got the baffles in for the ridge vent coming out of the soffits, and hopefully we'll have our drywall in by this time next week. So that's it. I just want to make sure we got the recording done before we start drywalling, and I'll send this over to you guys for your review for the inspection. All right, thank you very much and have a great day.